Hello friends. Welcome to Universal Wisdom. Take a slow breath in. And gently breathe out. Today, we are talking about something very powerful. Something that silently shapes your entire life. Your thoughts. Your inner voice. Your energy. Most people try to change their life by changing the outside world. They try to control situations. They try to control people. They try to control results. But real change always begins inside. Everything you see around you today was once a thought. Every success, every failure, every relationship, every decision started as a small idea in the mind. Your mind is not just thinking. Your mind is creating. Think about it. When you wake up in the morning, before anything happens, your mind already decides how the day will feel. If your first thoughts are heavy, the whole day feels heavy. If your first thoughts are calm, the day flows smoothly. Life does not start outside. Life starts inside you. And here is a truth many people never realize. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Thoughts come. Thoughts go. But you remain. Imagine the sky. Clouds move across it. Some clouds are dark. Some clouds are bright. But the sky never changes. You are the sky. Your thoughts are the clouds. When you understand this, peace begins. Many people suffer. Not because of reality, but because of interpretation. Two people face the same situation. One feels broken. One feels stronger. The difference is not the event. The difference is the meaning they give to it. Your meaning creates your emotion. Your emotion creates your action. Your action creates your future. So if you want a new future, you must create a new meaning. Let's talk about fear. Fear is powerful. Fear feels real. Fear feels urgent. But most fear is imagination. The mind tries to protect you. It predicts danger. It repeats past pain. But the mind does not always tell the truth. Ask yourself gently. Is this fear real? Or is it a memory? Is this worry happening now? Or is it a story? When you question fear, fear becomes smaller. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward, even when fear is present. Now let's talk about energy. Every person carries energy. You can feel it without words. Some people bring calm. Some people bring tension. Some people bring hope. Some people bring confusion. Your thoughts shape your energy. Your energy shapes your life experience. If your mind is full of anger, you see problems everywhere. If your mind is full of gratitude, you see opportunities everywhere. Gratitude is not pretending life is perfect. Gratitude is choosing to see what is working. Look at your breath. It is working. Look at your heart. It is beating. Look at your chance to grow. It is present. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance. And where focus goes, energy flows. Let's talk about silence. In today's world, noise is everywhere. Screens, voices, opinions, endless information. But wisdom grows in silence. When you sit quietly, without distraction, you begin to hear something deeper. Not the loud voice of fear. Not the restless voice of worry. You hear awareness. Awareness does not shout. Awareness observes. When you observe your thoughts, without judgment, They lose power over you. Try this simple practice. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Watch your breath. Do not control it. Just notice it. When a thought appears, do nothing. Just notice. Like watching cars pass on a road. You do not chase them. You do not stop them. You simply watch. This is presence. This is freedom. Now let's talk about purpose. Many people search for purpose. Like it is hidden somewhere far away. But purpose is not found. Purpose is created. Purpose grows. When you use your gifts to bring value to life. Ask yourself, what feels meaningful to me? What helps others? What makes me feel alive? Purpose is not always dramatic. Sometimes purpose is kindness. Sometimes purpose is learning. Sometimes purpose is becoming stronger. You do not need to know the whole path. You only need the next step. Life reveals itself to those who move forward. Now let's talk about patience. We live in a fast world. Instant messages. Instant results. Instant expectations. But real growth is slow. A seed does not become a tree overnight. Muscles do not grow in one day. Wisdom does not appear instantly. Trust the process. Respect time. Stay consistent. Small steps repeated daily create massive change. Do not underestimate small progress. One positive thought. One calm response. One disciplined action. These small moments shape destiny. Now let's talk about self-talk. The way you speak to yourself becomes your reality. If you constantly say, I am not enough, your mind believes it. If you constantly say, I am learning, your mind supports you. Be careful with your inner words. Speak to yourself like someone you respect. Encourage yourself. Guide yourself. Support yourself. You are with yourself every moment of life. Make that relationship kind. Now here is a powerful truth. You cannot control everything. But you can control your response. Life will bring change. Life will bring uncertainty. Life will bring challenge. But within you, there is a space that cannot be shaken. That space is awareness. That space is presence. That space is your true strength. When you act from that space, you respond instead of react. And your life transforms. Before we end, remember this. You are not behind in life. You are not late. You are not lost. You are learning. Every experience is shaping you. Every challenge is teaching you. Every moment is an opportunity to begin again. Take a deep breath. Feel your existence. Feel your awareness. Feel your power to choose. Today. Choose clarity. Choose patience. Choose growth. Choose peace. Your life is not happening to you. Your life is unfolding through you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for growing. Thank you for choosing awareness. This is universal wisdom. Stay calm. Stay aware. Stay true. And remember, the power you seek is already within you. If you liked our video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to write "Thank you universe" in the comments. We'll see you again with a new message of hope. Until then, thank you.